There are moments in history when everything changes, moments when humanity realizes its power was never as permanent as it believed. The prophet Zechariah saw such a day of shaking, conflict, darkness, and fear, a day when nations would gather, when the earth itself would tremble, and when humanity would stand face to face with something greater than itself. But hidden within the warnings was also hope, because Zechariah's final vision was not only about judgment, it was about restoration, a time when darkness would not last forever, a time when living waters would flow again, and a time when the Lord himself would reign over all the earth. For generations, people have wrestled with questions about the future. Will justice ever come? Will suffering end? And what happens when humanity can no longer save itself? Zechariah 14 enters those questions with powerful imagery, warning, hope, and one final prophetic vision of a world forever changed. Zechariah's vision now turns toward a world in turmoil, nations gathering, conflict rising, and humanity moving toward a moment it cannot control. The prophet describes a day unlike any other, a day when Jerusalem would become the center of fear, confusion, and struggle. But beneath the imagery of battle, another message begins to emerge. Human strength alone would not be enough. Political power, military might, and earthly confidence would all prove fragile before the events unfolding. For generations, humanity has trusted in its own systems, its leaders, its wealth, and its ability to shape the future. But Zechariah's vision reminds us how quickly the world can change. And in the middle of uncertainty, the prophecy points towards something greater than human power, a reminder that history itself is never fully in humanity's control. The shaking of nations, the fear of the people, and the uncertainty of the future all become part of a larger prophetic picture, because sometimes it is only when human certainty begins to collapse that people begin searching for something eternal. Zechariah's prophecy now shifts into strange and powerful imagery, a world covered in uncertainty, where light itself seems to fade. The prophet describes a day unlike ordinary time, a day where darkness and light appear mixed together, where humanity struggles to understand what is unfolding. And perhaps that image feels familiar even today, because there are moments in history when fear spreads quickly, when confusion grows, and when people begin questioning everything they once trusted. But Zechariah's vision does not end in darkness. Hidden within the uncertainty is the promise that light would still come. The prophecy speaks of a moment known fully only to God, a reminder that even when humanity cannot see clearly, history itself remains in his hands. And then comes one of the most beautiful images in the chapter, living waters flowing outward once again, a picture of renewal, life, restoration, and hope returning after devastation. Because throughout Scripture, water often becomes a symbol of life where dryness once existed, hope where despair once ruled, and restoration where people believed nothing could grow again. Zechariah's vision reminds humanity of something deeply important. Darkness does not last forever, and even in uncertain times, hope can still begin to flow again. At the center of Zechariah's final vision is a declaration greater than fear itself. The Lord would reign over all the earth. After the shaking of nations, after uncertainty, after darkness and conflict, the prophecy points toward restoration. Not a world ruled by chaos forever, but a world where brokenness would not have the final word. Zechariah describes a future where holiness, justice, and the presence of God would once again stand at the center of life. And perhaps that is why this chapter has continued to speak across generations, because beneath the prophetic imagery lies a deep human longing that evil will not reign forever, that suffering is not eternal, and that one day, peace and restoration will come fully. The prophecy ends not with hopelessness, but with the reminder that history itself is moving towards something greater than human power. Zechariah chapter 14 leaves humanity with a powerful reminder: darkness does not last forever. Empires rise and fall, nations shake, fear spreads, and human certainty often collapses. But beyond the uncertainty, the prophecy points toward hope, toward restoration, and toward the belief that history itself remains in the hands of God. For generations, people have searched for meaning in uncertain times, and Zechariah's final vision reminds us that even in moments of fear, humanity continues longing for light beyond the darkness. The Lord will be king over the whole earth, Zechariah 14:9.